So, are we ready for the pitches and startup week conclusion?
Yeah.
We're going to need some practice on that. Are we ready for the pitches and startup week conclusion? Yes, that's more like it. So, first pitch here tonight, go!
I will prompt, so once again, it's your minute. All right, before, let's try 59 seconds. I'm Peter, I'm a lawyer, and I worked for the last 2 years in London, and I think there are a couple of problems you will all face this weekend. So let's start with this. How do you do a 10x launch? And how do you manage to charge from the first day? How do you use neuroscience to pitch and actually make an impression? How do you write cold emails and get responses? Or how do you sell without actually saying anything, just asking questions? Well, my challenge for you this weekend is, let's have a chat. I want to have a chat with each and every one of you and see how I can help. Thank you.
59 seconds.
Hey everybody, my name is Emil Anthony, and I want to ask you, who here has a smartphone? Who here paid more than, let's say, 100 euros for the smartphone? Okay. So my problem is that smartphones are very expensive, and the reason is that they can help you with the daily life. And I saw that Cluj doesn't know how to use its smartphone to its fullest and to find information that it is. So I'm thinking of making an app to sell to coffee shops, to restaurants, and so that if you have a problem, like if you want to go for a coffee and you don't want to search for an empty place, you can just search the app and see if where you want to like it. If you have discounts and all of that. For this, I need a marketing person and tech guys because I have no idea how to code.
Okay, you know what really grinds my gears? Imagine that you're out in the city and you face one of these problems. My cell phone battery is low. Where can I go and charge? I need Wi-Fi for some reason. Where can I go and connect? I want to work with some colleagues on the project, but where is the nearest place we can go? It surely seems impossible. It's not impossible to find a place, but it surely is annoying sometimes. So, good evening. My name is Alex, and together with my team, we also face these weird problems. But we found a solution to make it easier. There will be an app for that. And yeah, last part was that yeah, we have the brains, we have the solution, we even have the programming skills, but what we need is someone who can really help us promote our idea. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Laura, and I like working out and going to the gym. I'm just interested how many of you plan on working out and getting in better shape for the summer. Okay, so many of you. And do you know that only 8% of people actually achieve their New Year's resolutions? That means that 92% are just giving up and they basically abandon their plans on the way and they lack a lot of motivation. Basically, my app idea is intended to motivate these people and to make sure that they stay on track by showing them how they progress along the way. And I plan on building a dashboard that will connect to other smart apps in the market that will basically provide heart rate information, weight information to these people who will be able to motivate themselves by seeing that they make a lot of progress. I will need some developers, some mobile developers. Okay, so my time is up.
Hello everyone, my name is Gabriel. As a young startup co-founder, I faced a very big problem. Awareness. When you only try to release product, you try to do your own startup and idea, you need budget to get awareness, to get users. This is very difficult to be done if you don't have if you have a limited budget, which we all face this today. So we have some growth hacking strategies in plan, and one of them that was revealed was exploiting the competition with prizes logic. Probably you have seen share and win a phone or stuff like this on the internet. So PrizeBox is a solution that gives you built-in the trust that you participate and actually win a prize for a specific task, like playing a game or sharing content or stuff like this. So PrizeBox will give you traction with a very low amount of money. Thanks.
Hello, my name is Raul, and one of the biggest problems that I've been having since I've started the student life is that every month I get a fixed amount of money and I cannot manage to handle it. Why? Because one of the main reasons is that I hang out a lot with my friends, and it is hard to find the best offer. This was the starting point of our idea, later named the CD365. It is a mobile map-based application that notifies you about all offers and discounts available in town and provides navigation to the wanted location using the GPS system. Also, this is a marketing tool that can help you get rid of that coupons and discount cards. Thank you.
So this cute instrument here is great at propagating sound, but it doesn't work just because it's attached to your hand. So you still need to keep it like this so that everyone can hear you, okay?
Hi guys, my name is Gabriel. What I'm trying to solve is a really common and problem that people have on the first date. A couple of days ago, a friend of mine came to me and he told me that he met a really nice girl, but on the first day, after a while, they had no idea what to talk about, and there's that awkward silence. So the main idea of the app is to make you make your homework. Basically, you just get information about the person you're going on the date with, and my app is gonna highlight your common things, and it's gonna give you information about things they share, like musical books, so you can get things to talk about. Thank you. I need developers to help me and designers, basically. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Kate Rushton. I work in market intelligence in London. The problem is UK internal travel is expensive. It's cheaper to fly abroad. Number two, people like to go to events and festivals, but UK events and festivals are becoming extremely expensive. So people are looking overseas, but they want very unique experiences. I want an app to match the UK travellers to unique events and experiences in Romania and across Eastern Europe. I've done something very similar for the UK rail industry, and we've got a bid out at the moment. I need software developers and designers. I've got a lot of UK contacts that can help with this. Cluj is going for the Capital of Culture soon, so maybe we can link up with the Capital of Culture events there to help them with their bid. And I have got a really good idea of how the app's going to work. And I've got 6 seconds. Yeah, travel unique, Traveek, pick my idea.
Hello, my name is Tiberio. And how many of you have been to a wedding or burial? You've seen that there are money spent there, lots of money, but none of the gifts given or are gifts that can keep the person happy after, or keep his memory in continuation. So my idea is to gift up treats to brides and grooms, gifts that can be given by their guests, presents can be given by their guests, and I want to build a platform for this. With these trees, with these packages of trees, can be built a forest which will be protected. I need developers and businessmen and coders.
Hello, my name is Andrei. Lately, with the fast developing of new technologies and incredible development of the internet, people are spending more and more time online and forgetting about the offline part. With your help, I want to create an online game, social online game, that will make people go more offline, go to meetings, go make more things, not stay all the time in front of computers, Facebook, and so on. I need the best developers, the most creative designers, a lot of critics, if they are in this room. That's it. Join the level 9.
All right.
Hi, I'm Vlad, and I like to ride motorcycles. One of the biggest problems in general when you ride motorcycle is the weather. So I would like to get announced when it's bad weather in order to get the rain is on. But usually you cannot see that, so I would like to create an app that other drivers on the road to notify me when bad weather is ahead. I would need a backend developer, and that's it. Thank you.
All right.
Hi, I'm Mihai, and I really like learning new things. And the issue today is that you have access to all kinds of knowledge. You have Wikipedia, you can go online and just find everything you need. But what that misses is the actual human touch of actually learning something from someone. So we're building a platform that's going to enable everyone to teach their own skills to other people, and other people, they can learn other stuff from actual human beings, not just reading them on the internet. This is going to encourage other people to start tutoring people, and that everyone will gain from all of this knowledge. And yeah, just vote for me, it's Tutora, and we're going to need some web developers and marketing people.
Hey, hi Salvador, my name is Sebastian, and sorry. 100 years ago, people expected that by now technology would solve the problem of obesity and health in general, and that through the progress of technology, we would all be fit by now. Doesn't really happen. We have the technology in our pockets, but we're not there yet. The idea is to bring sports to mobile in a way in which it's a necessity and not necessarily something which is hip, which is right now. We want to create mobile apps that engage each other into competition, not necessarily individuals by themselves. We require mobile developers and everyone who's keen on the services. Thanks.
Hi everyone, I will start by telling you a situation which all of us has to handle at least once in a life. For example, if it happens that you buy a new apartment, you rent a new one, or you just want to redecorate your home, you have to solve a couple of issues. For example, you have no idea how to arrange your apartment, or you can't afford to pay a designer, or you don't want to do that. And most important, we don't have too much time to go from shop to shop or search ideas, furniture, or other objects. As a solution, I propose an application called HomeText, which will give you the opportunity to search for different design ideas around your location, which will provide information gathered from other users. More important, you can find different objects tagged on each photo, so you can find many details about them. For example, their prices or the stores where they're available. If you like my idea or you're passionate about any kind of design, I'm Paul and I invite you to join my HomeText team.
Hi, I'm William. Have you ever tried to take a photo of something beautiful in a rush? It started with something like, first a beautiful moment, then the thought of taking the picture, grab the phone, unlock it, camera app. It can be quite a long journey and rush. Focus, press the button, and put it back in the pocket. It's quite a lot of action for a single photo. What happens is that you lose the experience while trying to freeze it. We present you Snapit, a small camera device that can be attached to any kind of glasses on the left or right side of the frame. It's connected with the mobile device, and through a single touch on a capacitive button, you will freeze the experience while enjoying it. You will enjoy it, snap it, and keep it all at the same time. Thank you.
Hello. Hey guys, so I turned out to be the fountain guy. I insist on presenting 2 ideas, just because the first one got locked out because I have a working prototype. So the problem I identified is that we don't have enough smart entertainment, and on the other hand, musical instruments are really hard to learn. So I thought I'd create a mobile app, a game. It's called Finger Drum Master, and its motto is play music for real. Like playing is relates to the game, music is self-explanatory, and for real is a hip-hop reference, and the app is really connected to hip-hop culture and sampling. So why I think this is a good thing? I think this will be the next level in education and entertainment, and I think if you package these, something really awesome will come out of it. And how do I know this? I've been a DJ and entertainer for more than 12 years, and I'm looking for coders who know who DJ Premier is. Thanks.
Next.
Hello, I'm Marius. I'm a software developer. I've been working in software for 7 years. I developed a small board game in the past, and now I would like to develop another puzzle game in which the player should find its way from start to finish, overcoming obstacles, using elements, opening doors, and stuff like this. I'm looking for game designers, people who have passion for games, and also software developers. You can check out my work that I've done in the past on my website.
That's it? Go! Okay, next speech.
Hello, I'm Sandra. I'm a data analyst. And within all this data, I noticed that there is a big interest in goal-oriented applications. But the problem is that the people using this don't always achieve their goals and don't always go to the end. So what I want to do is create an application that allows you to enter a community and meet their people with the same goal and actually keep yourself motivated because they are all there for the same purpose and they are there with advices, with tips and tricks. So they are there to help you achieve your goal. So I want you to be all more successful. This is my idea. And I will need a designer and 2 developers. That's it.
Yes, he's over there. Just realized it. Okay.
Sure. Hello, I'm Valentine. I'm a developer and manager, but I recently found a problem last night. I went out to get a drink and also eat something, and I didn't know what to expect on when my meal was going to be ready. I had a nice waitress, and she was nice enough to tell me that if I order something, it might take a long time. But otherwise, I would have had wrong expectations about when I was going to eat. So what I want to create and how I want to solve this problem is have an application that gives you the possibility to either reserve up front and make sure that at the moment that you want to eat, everything is ready, or if you're just coming by into the restaurant, to have your expectations met by having everything up front clear to you and having the possibility to make a choice. I need a designer and marketer. Thank you.
Hi, my name is James and I'm 20 years old. I think everybody from here was a student at one point. When I first came to Cluj, the biggest problem I saw that the students were not connected online, all the students. Every year, thousands and thousands of students are coming here, like this year came 80,000 of students. And they are not connected, all of them, in a single online platform. And here comes SmartS. SmartS is an application that connects all of the students from every university in an app. And the app is made by the students for the students. Students upload information for other students so they can help each other in big problems or small, like where we can eat, where we can go, or where I can find an internship, or where I can rent an apartment, and so on. I will need a mobile developer and a designer.
Hello, I'm Andre, and most of us have cars, but the biggest problem of big cities is overpopulation of cars and lack of parking spaces. So the solution, you have an app, you have all the database of all the parking spaces of the city, and you reserve it. Maybe you just need one day, so you reserve your parking space for a day, or you can have a monthly subscription. The app is UTicket, and we have all the team, so UTicket.
Hello, I'm Adrian, and now we will talk about a problem that all the person in this room has problem. It's about waiting lines. Statistics show that the average person spends around 2 years in their life waiting in line. So our solution is to create an application that will diminish, if not eradicate, the waiting lines. So please do not hesitate to ask me about the solution and what solution we have. Nowadays technology allows us to get a solution for waiting lines. We need developers, especially mobile developers, and marketing person as well. And please vote for us for a waiting line application in order to live a life without waiting in line. Hello everyone, my name is Vlad. I'm a student at European Studies at Management. I'm a part-time web developer and I'm passionate about business and politics. As Philip Kendall said earlier, we should try to solve a problem and to earn money from that. So my product is awesome storage sidewalks. What's the problem that I will solve? We won't pay anymore for the public illumination, and the money will go to the funding some projects from the community. We will be able to transform any sidewalk into a playground. We encourage more and more people to invest in the solar panels. And why it will work? Because it's awesome, because it's environmental friendly, and it will be fun for a lot of people. And it will save the municipality money, so it will save our money. What I really need is a marketing person, developer for a smartphone app, and a brilliant designer. Thanks, and vote for the team's awesome storage sidewalks.
Morning, my name is Daniel, and everybody here, or almost everybody, broke a leg or had a problem, a medical problem. And when you do this, you go to the medical hospital and get fixed up, but after a while, your hand starts to feel dizzy or something like that. And what to do? You want to you need to make some exercise to recover. And usually these exercises are from a kinetherapist. But I want to create an app, Med app, that will show you how to recover certain groups of muscles, or how to recover after a broken leg. And for this I need persons with a medical background, designer, and all the people that are interested. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Horia, and I want to speak with you about the problem. Whenever you want to buy somebody a gift, you don't know if that gift will be useful for them. Or, on the other hand, the most beautiful gifts are expensive, so you cannot afford them. I have a solution for this. It's an app where everybody can make a wish list of things they would like to have, and their friends or whoever want to buy them those presents can go and see them, and also found teams and buy together those gifts for them to buy more expensive and more meaningful gifts to them. For this, I need developers and also marketing people. Thank you.
From ideas into turnkey businesses. Hi, I'm Konstantin. At day job, I'm a software engineer facing with issues in translating business requirements into technical products. How many of you have great ideas and are non-technical persons? I believe that there are many. Our aim is to build a platform where non-tech persons have access to product managers experienced in their fields, and helping them with coordinating developers and creating a turnkey business after the collaboration. Me and my team are looking for a designer mate and also marketing or sales person.
Hi, I'm Alex. So, a few months ago I bought a new home. The problem was it wasn't completely finished, so I needed people that do things like plumbing, tiling, painting walls and whatnot. After some Googling, of course, I found that I was very unsatisfied with your usual OLX ads or presentation websites. Too little information, no way to compare results, and very important, no customer reviews. I actually ended up calling friends for recommendation, which is very not cool, right, in 2015. So what I want to do is build a platform to fix this, where people can very easily find the constructors they need for their home projects. So why not find, compare, and even rate your plumber or tileman and things like this. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Alex, and I'm really into outdoor activities. Skiing, snowboarding, extreme sports, or hiking. The problem is that all the information that you need in order to plan your perfect trip is spread across the internet. I want to bring it all together, and I want to base this app on a community and their reviews in order to save time. In order to do this, I will need some developers and a legal issues guy in order to help me with, of course, legal issues. And any help is good help. I think that's it. My idea is called Mountain Report. Go Mountain. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Richard. Wow, how many great ideas. I choose to be the last one, probably because I don't want to present any serious idea. I just have a personal blog, Move the Bear. So I'm looking for somebody to have fun, two smart people to collaborate with my idea to create an entertainment game inside a traveling blog. Thank you very much for your attention.
Hi, so as I was saying before, I already been here, it's not a deja vu. My other app cannot participate in the contest because I already have a working prototype, and this is my life's project, so to say, so I'll present it really short. How many of you do you know the quantified self movement or have heard about something like this? Okay.
So my main problem is everybody talks about time management. There are countless books, but nobody does measurement. I finished management school, and the first thing you do when you manage is to measure. So that's one of my main issues. And the second one is that our memory is pretty shitty. So you cannot remember most of the things, and I think there should be definitely apps already that sort of extend your memory somehow. And I thought of a platform, like all your personal data in one app, and it's sort of like a personal Google, but one you trust with your data. And that's it, 5 minutes.
All right, so, any other ideas? Any other pitches? Are you sure? Because we are only here for this weekend. You're gonna have to wait a whole nother year to launch your $1 billion startup. Anyone? All right, we're good. We're good. We had a huge number of pitches, so big round of applause for everyone that pitched an idea tonight. At a certain moment, I just thought that everyone in the room was waiting in line. It was like crazy. So now we're gonna have